Please welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. And I hope you will be fine today. Today in this video of ours we will highlight
Rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
since gardening is part science, making sure you have the right mix of nutrients for your plant is vital to your garden's success. Whether you choose to garden organically or traditionally, fertilizers add desirable nutrition to the soil. Understanding the number on the fertilizer package will help ensure your plants receive the proper balance they require. Guys, properly balancing the use of chemicals in your garden to fight pests is important. Also, you can option to use organic pest control methods only. To incorporate botanical insecticide or to apply synthetic pesticides. Please guys enjoy this video at the end, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. Please tell to watch the end. Guys, next is flower gardening. From annuals to perennial, flower gardening can be a word unto itself. With there, you are starting flowers from seed, installing flowering plants to add a splash of color and presently to your landscape, or just trying to understand the difference between annuals and perennials. Give your garden the best possible start by checking out the flower gardening tips below. Guys, next is finding a gardening gear. Finding smart resources for better gardening is something we take very seriously here at Growing a Greener World. From the annual list of the best of the must haves podcast products that course your paths nearly every day, we are constantly on the lookout to bring more valuable, innovative solutions to make your gardening life as enjoyable and productive as possible. Check out some of the products that have piqued our interest along the way. Guys, please subscribe my channel and give a like and leave a comment for our better guideline. and full watch video till to end. Next is insects and pests. A beautiful garden usually attracts more than an impressed near neighbor. Only hours after planting, you may find that pests are just as taken with your garden as you are. Although there is no way to eliminate pests altogether, there are several things you can do to cut down on the number of unwanted visitors to your garden, from integrated pest management, potential insecticides, organic and synthetic pesticides and insecticides to barrier numerous pest deterrents can be easily purchased or made. The next option is landscaping. Creating a beautiful landscape can sometimes seem like an impossible task, yet, although many landscape designs do require a large commitment of time, there are simple things everyone can to do improve crop appeal. There are a few design tips you can to do make your yard the envy of the neighborhood. New viewers, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment and give a like for our better guideline and full watch video at the end. Next option is organic gardening. The use of natural products to improve the soil and fight pests and disease are all part of organic gardening basics. By eliminating man-made and synthetic products from your gardening, remain you can create a safe and bionic biodynamic garden. Learn why soil amendments like compost, manure, and natural fertilizers are better choices. Guys, next is seasonal gardening. No matter where you live, gardening can be a year-round activity. Even in those parts of the country where winter snow blankets the ground, gardeners are busy planning for spring and tending to plants or seedling indoor. Fall colors can be every bit as stunning as a beautiful spring border. Meanwhile, the height of gardening season, summer presents its own set to challenges. These gardening articles will teach and inspire you no matter what the session. Next is trees and shrubs. Whether you are looking for color, fragrance, fruit for your table, or simple a fast feast for the eyes, trees and shrubs can fit the bill. Trees and shrubs are vital to any well balanced garden. They add height and depth and create just the right punctuations when needed. They are available in every size and shape and include evergreen and delicious varieties. Their care and maintenance can be a bit different than that for your landscape plants or white garden. These articles will help you get the most out of the trees and shrubs in your landscape. Guys, this video last part of vegetable gardening. You don't need a green tub or an aquarium to store bought veggies to enjoy your own home vegetable green garden. If you have ever tasted a freshly picked heirloom tomato or any homegrown vegetable, you know there's nothing better. Whether you are just starting a vegetable garden or looking to dig acrylic paint, added bonus, this is the perfect crop for kids. Next is turn a barrel into a pond. Make use of an old whiskey barrel and create your own backyard pond. A great alternative if you don't have space for a real one. Add your water plants, lily pads, of course, and even a few small fish. Next is mix is vibrant chairs. Outfitting a small space does not mean you have to settle for draft furniture. The bigger the better is the way to go to bring your outdoor area to life. Turn planters into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored planters for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Here, interior designer Renovation sticks with terracotta pots, but you can also go for bold patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical world garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape, fabric, and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river rocks. You can make your garden more zen with an eye-catching DIY bubble function. Put up a vertical planter. Note: one only does this DIY take up less surface area than multiple pots on the ground wall, but it can also serve as a privacy fence for nosy neighbors. Assemble an herb garden. There's something special about an orderly display of potted plants, especially when they are in vibrant colors that showcase the beauty of the season. Upcycle an old ladder. Turn a wooden ladder into a space-saving stand for flowers, veggies, and herbs with just a few boards and a coat of paint. Let climbing vines take over. Covered with ivy, a frail tree fence acts as a natural privacy barrier to shield a patio or garden from view. Make a fairy garden.